Today we're putting two top-tier mirror dash cams to the ultimate test. The WOLFBOX G840S 12-inch 4K mirror dash cam backup camera, which we'll call the G840S, and the AZDOME PG17 Max 4K plus 2.5K mirror dash cam, or simply the PG17. We've driven with them, reviewed their footage, and pushed their intelligent features to give you the clear, unbiased truth, directly tackling the biggest hurdles drivers face when choosing a premium dash cam. Stick with us, and you'll walk away knowing exactly which one is tailor-made for your specific driving needs, whether it's daily commuting or long-haul trucking. But there's one surprising difference in advanced driver assistance systems that might completely change your mind. First off, let's talk about the absolute core of any dash cam: its ability to capture crisp, clear footage. Nobody wants grainy video when they need to capture crucial details like license plates or road hazards. The WOLFBOX G840S records in true 4K resolution for the front camera, capturing incredibly sharp details that can be vital for evidence. Its rear camera offers 1080p resolution. This combination provides excellent clarity, especially during the day, solving the common problem of blurry footage. It boasts enhanced night vision capabilities, ensuring decent visibility even in low-light conditions, crucial for identifying objects or vehicles after dark. In contrast, the AZDOME PG17 Max, PG17, ups the ante with 4K resolution for the front camera and 2.5K for the rear camera. This higher resolution for the rear view means significantly better detail for anything happening behind your vehicle, a major win if you're frequently backing up or want extra clarity for rear-end incidents. The PG17 also emphasizes its super night vision for superior low-light performance. For drivers whose main concern is absolute maximum detail from both ends of the vehicle, particularly at night, the PG17's higher rear resolution and advanced night vision truly set it apart. Which camera's clarity screams peace of mind more to you? Let us know in the comments below. Beyond just recording, what about the intelligent features that make your drive safer and smarter? Fumbling with controls or lacking crucial warnings can be incredibly frustrating. The WOLFBOX G840S focuses on essential smarts like parking assistance with adjustable guidelines, which is a lifesaver for tricky parking spots. It also features loop recording to ensure you never run out of space and a G-sensor to automatically lock footage during collisions. It includes GPS for tracking your route and speed, and 5.8 GHz Wi-Fi for faster file transfers to your phone via an app. These features directly address the pain points of proving fault in an accident or easily maneuvering in tight spaces. Now, the AZDOME PG17 Max, PG17, takes smart driving to a whole new level by integrating advanced driver assistance systems, ADAS. This includes blind spot detection, BSD, lane change assist, LCA, and forward collision warning, FCW, part of ADAS. These systems provide real-time alerts to help prevent accidents, a game-changer for those seeking an extra layer of safety, solving the problem of blind spots and sudden road hazards. It also features 5 GHz Wi-Fi for fast transfers and voice control, allowing you to issue commands hands-free, like take a photo or lock video. While the G840S covers the basics exceptionally well, the PG17's comprehensive ADAS suite and voice control truly push it into a different league for proactive safety and convenience. If you've used either of these, which smart feature truly surprised you with its usefulness? Finally, let's talk about getting these mirror dash cams up and running and making sure your footage is always secure. Nobody wants a complicated installation process or the headache of constantly managing storage. The WOLFBOX G840S offers a straightforward installation that mounts over your existing rearview mirror. It comes bundled with a 32 GB SD card, meaning you're ready to record right out of the box, directly addressing the pain point of needing to buy separate accessories. Its design integrates smoothly into most vehicles, appearing like a natural extension of your mirror. In contrast, the AZDOME PG17 Max, PG17, also features an easy clip-on design, making installation accessible for most drivers. However, it takes the convenience up a notch by including a 64 GB SD card, double the storage of the G840S. This means you can record more footage before it loops over, providing extra peace of mind for longer trips or extended parking monitoring. Both units support parking monitor functions that activate when your car is off, though they require a hardware kit, sold separately. For continuous power, a minor but valid point to keep in mind. The PG17's larger included card is a significant advantage for users who prioritize minimal maintenance and maximum recording time. After countless drives and dissecting every feature, the AZDOME PG17 Max, the PG17, emerges as the absolute champion for most people seeking an advanced, feature-rich mirror dashcam that goes beyond basic recording to actively enhance driving safety. Its superior 4K plus 2.5K resolution, combined with those intelligent ADAS features like blind spot detection and voice control, simply put it miles ahead, making its slightly more premium price easily justifiable for the sheer safety and convenience it delivers. It's the undisputed king for drivers who want a proactive co-pilot. That being said, if your absolute non-negotiable priority is crystal-clear 4K front footage, solid night vision, and reliable essential features without the added complexity or cost of advanced ADAS, then the WOLFBOX G840S, the G840S, remains a seriously strong contender. It's the perfect fit for the budget-conscious driver who needs a mirror dash cam that excels at core recording and backup assistance, making it a fantastic value for everyday peace of mind on the road. There you have it, the full picture. If this video truly helped you decide and you're ready to upgrade your vehicle's safety, please consider giving it a like and dropping a quick comment below telling us which mirror dashcam won you over. And to ensure you never miss our next in-depth analysis, definitely subscribe to the channel. For the latest pricing and comprehensive details on both the WOLFBOX G840S and the AZDOME PG17 Max, you'll find them conveniently linked right below. We'll catch you in the next one.